Cheerios. I think I know who loves Cheerios. That mischievous animal right there. Hey, Skittles. Turn around. Turn around. Hey. Skittles. You like Cheerios? Look. There's two. There's two. Oh, you're so nice. Here. Here's one. Oh, she took off with one of them. Oh, here she comes. She's making loops. Hey. What? Yeah, I got more. Hold on. Okay. I know, I got Cheerios. Here, take it. I got more. No, get out of there. Oh, she came back the same way. I think that's the last one, girl. I got a crumb. Oh, no, I got plenty. Come here. Up. I think she's just gonna stop. I have like 50 Cheerios left to pick up. Stand. Well, you dropped it. Hey, here's one. Yeah, you got the one you dropped. She's afraid of the bin, so I'm gonna let her go in there and get it. Did you get the Cheerio? Did you get it? Let me see. Did you get a Cheerio? I think she got a Cheerio. There's no more in there, so. She got a Cheerio! Yay! Good girl.